Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I am Raven Janelle and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do a bleach bath and watercolor on this glueless wig that I have. All of the products I'm using will be linked down below in my description, so be sure to check it out for all the details. I'm starting out with an empty container that can fit the whole wig. Then I'm pouring some bleach and developer and mixing it in the bottom of the container. I'm pouring some steaming hot water with this kettle that I bought from Amazon. Then I'm going to stir around the mixture for a bit and then pour the rest of the water in, and we'll continue mixing until there are no clumps of bleach and developer left. So I already combed the wig out, but now I'll dip the wig in the bleach mix until it's fully submerged, and then I'm going to cover it with some aluminum foil and let it sit for 1 hour. Here I'm adding some more bleach and developer because I'm not sure if I put enough earlier. So yeah, I'm just going to mix that in. Wash the hair, but first I'm squeezing out some of the bleach mix before I wash it. The camera didn't show how light the hair was, but it was a nice color brown, and I was really surprised that the hair actually took the bleach that well. So now I have some fresh hot water in the bucket, and I'm going to add the whole bottle of Raging Red dye from Adore and mix it in really well until the dye is dissolved. Next, I'm going to dip the whole wig in until it's completely submerged. Then I'll cover it with foil again and let it sit for another hour. At first, I was nervous about getting the lace colored, but surprisingly, when I washed it, the lace wasn't colored, just the knots. took the hair out of the water and squeezed the excess out. I love how deep wine or cherry color this was, because I was going for a deeper red, so I really like it. But if you want it to be lighter, I would suggest leaving it in the bleach bath for longer and keep checking on it, or just start with a 613 wig and color that. But now I'm blow drying the hair so I can get ready to style it. Next, I'm going to pluck my part so it can be sharp and precise. So now that I installed the wig, I'm going to cut some layers. I'm not a licensed artist, so I don't exactly know how to properly cut it, but I'm just doing what I think looks right. So now I'm just making sure the lace is dry before I take off the band and cut the lace. I didn't get a chance to make a sit-down video with the full look, but I'll include some pictures and videos that I posted on my Instagram. But that is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments. Would you ever consider dyeing your bundles or wigs using this method? Make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!